Good morning, I'm Tammy Kirkwood, and I'm going to do a brief presentation of my refined limb diagram on distracted and challenged drivers. So this diagram is just a reflection of 1 week of a semester-long class, and I'm going to start with the students going into an online D2L, and their instructions are to read the chapter on the topic. After they've read the chapter, then they take a knowledge check quiz, which is also can be a practice quiz for them. And they have 5 attempts to get a high score, and the highest score will be graded through the system of D2L, and it'll be reflected in the grade book. The reason I chose a practice quiz is just to confirm that they have done some textbook reading, so they're prepared before they come to class on what the topic is, so that they can be an active participant. They come into the classroom and the instructor does a lecture. Within that lecture, the instructor will present a Kahoot! Survey to the class, which the whole class will participate in real time. This expands the lecture content to where we can see what they're doing as far as their thoughts and how they've handled distracted driving in their past and present. After that, there'll be a group discussion. The students will be broken into groups of 4 to 5, and they will be assigned a subject to research. Once the period of time is up for the research for each group, then they will designate one person that will present what they found out in their research. There'll be an opportunity after each person presents for the rest of the class and for the instructor to provide feedback through comments and questions to each group. The conclusion of the classroom portion is a distracted driving video that just basically ties things together for the classroom portion. Then the student will move to online, and they will see an additional video on senior driving safety, which highlights just education that is provided in some cities to senior drivers. The final portion of the online is a reflection paper that will be submitted from the student to the D2L Dropbox, and then feedback will be provided from the instructor in the D2L gradebook. My objective is met in the reflection paper, and I have chosen to use the keyword reflect for that, and there is a ID key there at the bottom left that has a definition of what that objective is. So thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day.